Relational algebra is a procedural query language that works on relational model. A relational model is a collection of domains and tuples. It takes relations as input and generates relation as output. It was first created by E.F. Codd in 1970. It gives a step-by-step process to obtain the result. There are two types: unary operation and binary operation. In the relational algebra, operations are classified into unary and binary. Unary operations are select and project. Binary operations are union, intersect, set difference, and Cartesian product. A projection is denoted by pi. It is a unary operation that written as pi a1, a2, and so on an. Here R is relation. A selection is denoted by sigma. It is a unary operation written as sigma psi bracket में relation, where psi is a propositional formula that consists of atoms. As allowed in the normal selection and the logical operators AND, OR, and negation. Let us example bank table having customer ID, bank name, account number, and balance. These are tuples. The project operation is written as pi customer ID balance. The output is so here in this example, two attributes data are so given here. This one customer ID or this one balance. Relational algebra operation to select bank information of account number. It is so specific row. Specific row means specific tuple. It is a selection relational algebra, selection operation of the relational algebra. Sigma account number is equal to particular account number, और ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे we write here bank. Set operation is a set of all elements in the collection. It is denoted by union sign. Set intersection is a set of common element. It is denoted by the intersection symbol. Set difference is complement of the set denoted by minus symbol. Let us customer and employee tables. This one customer table, this one employee table. The union operation, the relational algebra for union operation, set union operation is given by here, and set intersection operation for relational algebra is given here, and set difference operations are given. So output will be name Raju, Dolly, Rosie, Ram, and Golu. Here name Raju is belongs to both tables, so it is write only one time. The set intersection operation is so that name which are available in both tables, such as Raju. The set difference operation represent those names who are available in first table but not in second table. So the names are Ram and Golu. Ram and Golu is presented, but Raju is present in second table also, so it is left. Cross product is a way of combining two relational instances. The result relation contains each of the attribute in both relation. Consider two relation, student and parking. Student having student ID, name and shift attribute. Parking having student ID, student ID, PID and P line attributes. A cross product operation is written as student cross parking and would result in the following schema. This is result. This one student instance, or this one parking instance. We apply the cross product operation. It is written as this one. The output will be this. There are three types of joins: inner join, outer join and self join. Join is a combination of Cartesian product followed by selection process. Inner join includes only those tuples with matching attributes and the rest are discarded. They are theta join, equal join and natural join. Natural join is by default inner join because the tuples which does not satisfy the condition of join does not appear in rest set. Inner join is denoted by this symbol. The notation is written as student, inner join and parking. The query is given here: student star from select star from student, natural join, select star from parking. Here we write natural join word. So we are getting the result this one. Now we are discuss theta join. It combines tuples from a different relation provided they satisfy the theta join. It is denoted by the theta symbol. Consider two relations, student and subject. Student schema is this one, subject schema is this one. It is written as, the relational algebra for theta join is written as student natural join student dot CID is equal to subject dot class subject. Subject dot class means subject is a field. Subject is a field and subject is a field of the subject table. Subject is a field of subject table. It is practically done by the query. This one query. It is practically done by select star from student, comma subject where student.cid is equal to subject.cid. The output will be this one. Equal join, when theta join uses only equality comparison operator, it is said to be equal join. The above example correspond to the equal join. Outer join includes all the tuples from the participating relations in the resulting relation. There are three types: left outer join denoted by this symbol, right outer join denoted by this symbol, and full outer join denoted by this symbol. Left outer join includes all the tuples from the left relation and include tuples in R without any matching tuple in the right relation denoted by null. It is in the right outer join, all the tuples from the right relation, tuples and tuples in S without any matching tuples in R denoted by null. It is just opposite of left relation. The combination of left and right relation is known as full outer join. Consider DPT is left relation and HOD is right relation. This is the instance of DPT left relation. This is instance of the right relation, means HOD table. The output of left outer join is this one. The output of right outer join is this one. Here absent data is shown by the null keyword. This one the result of the full outer join. These are queries for left, right and full outer join. we are getting the above result. Self join is a join in which a table is joined with itself. Unary operations are connected during the self join. Consider two relations. Consider relation cust ACC. This one cust ACC relation. We write select cust dot cust ID comma cust dot cust name account dot balance account dot balance. This is belong to cust table. This is belong to this is belong to cust part, or this is belong to ACC part of the same table. So from cust ACC, cust join cust ACC on cust dot account is equal to account 1. This is, we compare both part of the single table. Account number is primary key for cust and ACC is primary key for cust ID. So output is this one. These are reference.